Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing extremely well. So if you're new here, I'm Anushriya. I make videos on beauty, fitness, lifestyle and sometimes travel related content. So if you're interested in such videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. And now let's begin with today's video. So this is not like the normal videos that I post on my channel, but this is the most frequently asked question on my Instagram and in person as well. So I thought why not to make a video on it so that it will be helpful for those who are asking me these questions, those who are already in my follower list or friend list, but also it will be helpful for those who are searching for this topic. And let me tell you guys, this is one of the most searchable topic on Google. And also I came across so many videos those who are misleading people, so I thought it would be great if I make this video. I would also like to thank Mr. Patik Joshi, who is a friend of mine, and he helped me a lot to find the research based article. So he's a diet and fitness coach. I'll put the link of his Instagram handle in my description box so that you guys can check it out. So today we are going to discuss about breast sagging, which is also known as ptosis in medical term. So as we grow older, हमारी जो स्किन की elasticity होती है वो reduce होने लगती है, जिसकी वजह से हमें signs of aging दिखते हैं. अगर मैं चेहरे की बात करूँ तो you can notice wrinkles, fine lines, dark spots. There are so many signs of aging. So breast sagging is also one of those signs of aging that we notice. हालांकि when we talk about breast sagging, the age is not the only factor that contribute to it. So there are so many other factors as well that contribute to breast sagging. आज हम उसी बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. We are going to discuss cause, prevention, treatment and role of diet and workout. So सबसे पहले बात करते हैं cause की. As I already told you that breast sagging happens when your skin loses its elasticity. But वही एक reason नहीं है breast sagging का. There are so many reasons, जिनमें से एक है size and shape. Yes, ब्रेस्ट सैगिंग बहुत हद तक डिपेंड करता है साइज एंड शेप के ऊपर. येस, दिस इज वन ऑफ द रीजन दैट इन्फ्लुएंस ब्रेस्ट सैगिंग अ लॉट. So someone with heavier and narrow breast are more likely to get breast sagging than someone with a smaller breast. So this is proven in a research, and I'll also put the link of that research in my description box. So this was one factor. Now the second factor or second reason is higher BMI or obesity. तो अगर आप obese की category में fall करते हो, then you are more likely to get breast sagging. As we know, breast is mostly made of fat and some other glands. So जैसे आपकी fat percentage बढ़ती है तो breast का size and shape जो है वो भी इन्फ्लुएंस होता है. और जैसे कि मैंने पॉइंट 1 में ऑलरेडी बता दिया कि साइज एंड शेप इज वन इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर दैट कंट्रीब्यूट टू ब्रेस्ट सैगिंग. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द थर्ड फैक्टर विच इज सडन वेट गेन और सडन वेट लॉस. नाउ दिस कैन ऑल्सो चेंज द शेप ऑफ द ब्रेस्ट, क्योंकि जैसे ही आप सडन वेट गेन करते हो स्किन जो है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्ट्रेच हो जाती है विच लीड टू ब्रेस्ट सैगिंग. उसी तरह से अगर आप सडन वेट लूज करते हो तो स्किन श्रिंक हो जाती है विच अगेन लीड टू ड्रूपी सैगी ब्रेस्ट. So now the next factor that influence breast sagging a lot is smoking. Now smoking is not only bad for your overall health, it is very bad for your skin. Smoking की वजह से आपकी जो skin की elasticity है वो बहुत हद तक reduce हो जाती है and you get all those signs of aging, and this is one major factor that influence breast sagging a lot. Now the fifth factor is number of pregnancies. और इससे जुड़ा हुआ एक मिथ भी है. बहुत सारे वुमेन को लगता है कि जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ नंबर ऑफ प्रेगनेंसीज ब्रेस्ट सैगिंग हैपन्स, और ये बाकी जो फैक्टर्स हैं उनको कम्प्लीटली अवॉइड कर देते. बट लेट मी टेल यू गाइज, दिस इज़ नॉट द ओनली और द मेजर रीज़न ऑफ ब्रेस्ट सैगिंग, बिकॉज दिस डेफिनेटली कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट्स टू इट, बट दिस इज़ नॉट द मेजर रीज़न. तो इफ़ यू रीड द रिसर्च यू विल गेट टू नो कि आफ्टर 6 मंथ ऑफ ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग, आप जो ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग बंद करते हो उसके 6 मंथ के बाद ब्रेस्ट जो है दैट जस्ट गेट बैक टू इट्स नॉर्मल शेप. सो येस, दिस इज not the only factor, but yes, multiple pregnancy definitely contributes to it up to some extent. Now talking about the sixth factor, which is workout without support. So when you're doing any workout that involves a lot of breast movement like skipping, jogging or running, make sure you're wearing a sports bra. When you're doing such movement, it just put a lot of strain on your breast ligament, which lead to ligament stretching and then breast sag. Now the seventh factor is aging. So as I already told you, age is one of the most important factor of breast sagging. So as we grow older, हमारी स्किन की elasticity जो है वो reduce होने लगती है, and then we see the signs of aging, and breast sagging is one of them. Now talking about the prevention, now there are not much we can do on the prevention front, but there are few things that we can follow or we can keep in mind. Now the first thing that we can follow is wearing a perfect size or perfect type of bra. For example, someone with heavier breast should go for full coverage bra. Someone who is doing a sports activity should wear a sports bra, or someone who is breastfeeding should wear a nursing bra. So there are so many bras available in the market. You can definitely pick one for your need. Now moving towards the next thing, which is your posture. So if you're slouching while sitting, it will make your breast look more droopy and it will definitely put impact on your breast shape. So जब भी आप बैठे, make sure your back is straight and your shoulder is like straight, और आप बिल्कुल ऐसे करके ना बैठे. So make sure you're sitting straight. So that is one thing you can keep in mind. Now the next thing is you should maintain a healthy weight. Now as I've already told you कि अगर आप overweight हो या obese category में आते हो तो breast sagging के जो chances होते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं. तो you should always try to maintain healthy weight और बिल्कुल अपना जो fat percentage है उसको बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ने ना दें. So that will also help. Now the fourth thing is that you should keep in mind is hydration. Hydration is the key. So make sure आप sufficient पानी पी रहे हो और उसके साथ ही आप अपनी स्किन को मॉइस्चराइज करना ना भूलें. बिकॉज जब आप मॉइस्चराइजर यूज़ करते हो दैट गिव्स योर स्किन प्रॉपर हाइड्रेशन और आपको नरिशमेंट देता है स्किन को, और जिससे आपकी स्किन की इलास्टिसिटी इंप्रूव होती है एंड यू कैन सी लेस साइंस ऑफ एजिंग एंड इट विल ऑल्सो हेल्प इन ब्रेस्ट सैगिंग. क्योंकि ऐसे कुछ कुछ इंग्रेडिएंट है जो कि आप यूज़ कर सकते हो, जैसे कि कोकोआ बटर वाला बॉडी लोशन हो गया, विटामिन ई वाला बॉडी लोशन हो गया, या फिर कोलाजन वाला बॉडी लोशन हो गया. सो दीज आर फ्यू थिंग्स दैट विल हेल्प विद ब्रेस्ट सैगिंग इशू. तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस. Now talking about the treatment, it might make you feel little bad, but there is no proper treatment for breast sagging. ये जो मार्केट में इतने सारे क्रीम्स अवेलेबल हैं, इतने सारे मेडिसिन अवेलेबल हैं, those who claim कि they can help with breast sagging and they can tone the saggy breast, they are all fake claims. There are no proper treatment for breast sagging except surgery. So someone who is into glamour world, they have to look fit and fine and toned, they can definitely go for it, but I don't think it is necessary for normal people because there are so many side effects as well. But still, if you want to go for it, you can try. Also, I've heard that there are some breast forming treatment has been introduced, though I'm not sure about it, if it's temporary or permanent. I really don't have any idea, so that's why I'm not including any information about that. Now a lot of people ask me if diet and workout can help with breast sagging. So yes, it can help you up to some extent, but don't expect any major changes. Now talking about the diet, if you're following a proper healthy diet, it will help you to maintain your weight. And as I have already told you, अगर आप obese हो या फिर आपकी body का fat percentage बहुत ज़्यादा है, that will also lead to breast sagging. So अगर आप एक proper diet follow करते हो, that will help you to maintain your weight. Also try to eat healthy fats such as avocado, nuts and seeds. So those healthy fats can help to fill in those loose skin. It will just help to get that plump and firm effect. That's it. It is not going to bring you any dramatic result. Please keep this in mind. Now talking about the workout, so a lot of ladies ask me if they can tone a saggy breast by workout. So the answer is not completely. As we know, breast is not made of muscles, so we can't tone it or tighten it. But what we can do is there are muscles beneath our breast which is called pectorals, I guess. So through workout we can strengthen that muscles, so it will give a bit firm and toned look. So that was about the diet and workout. So now I'm going to share a home remedy that will help to improve the elasticity of your skin, and thus it will help with breast sagging, though not completely. As I already told you, there is no treatment for this. So for this home remedy you need olive oil, then methi, which is fenugreek seeds, and kalonji, which is black cumin seeds. So you need these three ingredients. You need to boil it and keep it in a glass jar and just massage your breast area every day before sleeping. So अगर आप ये use नहीं करना चाहते हो, then you can go for some body lotion that contains vitamin E, या फिर a body lotion that contain cocoa butter or shea butter, because these things help to improve the elasticity of your skin. So you can definitely try this. Now at the end of the video, I would like to tell you guys that breast sagging is a normal process. You shouldn't be worried about it or you shouldn't feel bad about it. This is just a normal process. So just accept yourself, embrace your beauty, and don't let anyone's idea of beauty pull you down. You are beautiful the way you are. So yeah, at the end I just wanted to say this. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then don't forget to hit that like button. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर से कर दें, and I'll see you with my next post. Till then, take care. Bye.